Ladies and gentlemen, it's me, James Sweeney, coming at you this Monday afternoon from where else but the balcony here at the New York Stock Exchange. Let me be the first to say that the Mets are still in first place. Yes, I'm 1 year older, not necessarily 1 year wiser. And yes, Chelsea had a rough weekend, but it's still better than Arsenal, right? And with that stated, you know what time it is. I'm here. It's in the afternoon. It's nearly 4 o'clock. The markets, they're about to close. Investors want to run home. I want to go out and enjoy the weather. So let's get it started. It's happy hour here in the Big Apple. Now, U.S. stocks trading about 1% higher this Monday afternoon. That's a very strong start to the new week, as encouraging developments in Greece and a Warren Buffett acquisition helped lift sentiment. But first off, let me say this. It's a very slow day on the data front, so focus instead turning overseas, as hopes of a Greece deal helped turn these stocks a lot higher this afternoon. Greek banks could possibly receive as much as 10 billion euros even before the European Central Bank completes a stress test. This, according all to a Eurozone official familiar with the situation who spoke with Reuters. In addition, adding to market gains today, Precision Castparts surging nearly 20% on news that Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway will acquire the maker of aircraft equipment for $235 a share, therefore making for an all-cash deal, all cash, of $37.2 billion. And Buffett didn't end there, as IBM continuing to edge higher after Buffett went on to say on CNBC that he loves it when IBM's stock price goes down because the company can repurchase shares at an even better price. And now turning overseas once again, overnight, mainland Chinese stocks surging nearly 5% amid hopes of further stimulus and corporate restructuring in key sectors. Chinese exports down 8.3% in July, the largest decline in 4 months, while regional producer prices falling more than expected. Now you team all of that. You team the news with Greece, China, and Warren Buffett with the U.S. dollar trading flat, crude oil struggling to hold above 44 a barrel, and gold futures rising about $3, then you have yourself a session right behind me now where 4 stocks have advanced for every decliner. That's right, on the New York Stock Exchange. Let's take a look now to see how the markets have shaped up to close out this, the first trading session of a new week. And in other corporate news, Alibaba announcing a 19.99% stake of 28.3 billion won in Chinese electronics retailer Suning Commerce Group. And if you want more market movers, well, you want more corporate news, check out the earlier modernwallstreet.com market movers report. And I'm going to end on this note. It's a beautiful day. Hope you guys enjoy it. And I'm going to say this. Peter Cech, now playing for Arsenal, he's still on the Chelsea payroll. He proved it this weekend. I love you, Peter Cech. Check, please. And for modernwallstreet.com, until tomorrow morning, I'm James Sweeney.